Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk through a quick and easy guide on how to unfollow a channel on WhatsApp. If you've joined a channel and no longer want updates from it, or simply want to keep your feed more organized, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do just that. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so that all channel features appear correctly. Once the app opens, head over to the Updates tab. That's where all your followed channels are listed alongside status updates. Next, scroll through your channels until you find the one you want to unfollow. Tap on that channel to open it. You'll now see the channel's posts, images, and other updates just like before. Now, look toward the top right-hand corner of your screen. You'll notice three small dots that's the menu icon. Tap on it, and from the list that appears, select Settings. This will open a small menu with options related to that channel's preferences. In this menu, find the option that says Unfollow. Tap on it. WhatsApp will then ask you to confirm your choice just to make sure you don't accidentally unfollow by mistake. Go ahead and tap Confirm. Once you do that, you've successfully unfollowed the channel. You'll stop receiving updates from it and it will disappear from your list of followed channels. If you ever change your mind, you can always rejoin the same channel later by searching for it again in the Updates tab and tapping Follow. Unfollowing channels is a great way to keep your WhatsApp experience tidy, focusing only on the content that really interests you. Regularly reviewing your followed channels can help you manage your time online more efficiently. That's all for this easy update. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick WhatsApp guides and tips. Thanks for watching.